second one, which is the Weave. Yeah. And Stefan and Andras, it's your time.
Hi, thank you. Just wait for you to share your screen, Andras.
Screen real quick.
Awesome. So yeah, hello everyone. Let me introduce Weave to you. So before DeFi can become a mainstream option and allow the masses to move from Web 2 to Web 3, there are several problems which need to be solved. These include a fragmented ecosystem that it can be very overwhelming to newcomers, rug pulls, lack of consistent customer support, and the restrictive automation solutions currently available. Let me explain how Weave will disrupt the DeFi space. Our drag-and-drop personal strategy builder, with its intuitive UI, allows users to compound, swap, or take profit in any way they want, sharing their work on social media or even with friends. Less experienced users and even complete newbies can then copy their favorite strategies in one click to earn passive income at a risk exposure of their choice. Our experienced public team are guiding users throughout their DeFi journey using the Weave Academy educational content available online. Our Weave Pro strategy creators who choose to share their strategy with Weave passive users can earn up to a 4% performance fee, and Weave token staking amounts in TVL are also factored into the amount of fees shared with the Pro users. Our novel referral program also offers up to 5% of platform fees to all users. Let me now pass you over to Andreas, who's going to share with you our revolutionary strategy builder. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the introduction, Stephen. So let me share our platform a little bit. What our goal is to provide users a strong tool set to build their DeFi experience exactly as they would like to, not being limited to certain projects, protocols, and basically create everything how they want it to be and everything in one place. So what you see right now is our strategy builder. For example, you see on the right side, pancake farms. How do you build a strategy? Well, it's easy as it gets with just drag and drop, and you create your strategy based on the elements you drag and drop in there. This, for example, is a really simple strategy which you created, which basically means your funds, which you deposit, gets into the BNB and Link farm, and the rewards from BNB and Link gets into USD and BUSD. What we are doing is that we are taking care of everything required for the necessary steps in the background ourselves. So you can provide any coin you would like, and we swap the coin into the desired coins which are needed for the liquidity pair. We create the liquidity pair, we deposit the pair, and you have one single space where you can see everything out of there. So for example, we can name our strategy, we can save it, we can publish our strategy, which basically creates a smart contract on our backend, including everything necessary to interacting with the platform you decided with. We just have only the required code for interacting with the platforms you selected. So there's this smart contract deployed itself is quite small, quite with as little overhead as possible. We can then deploy the smart contract. As you can see, smart contract got deployed. We can check a currency approved against the contract we just created, and basically say, okay, we want input 12 BUSD, and funds get moved in, and we take care of everything. This is only what's required for you to build a strategy. This looks quite simple, but we can move to a rather complex one. For example, as you can see here, you can create as many levels and as complex strategy as you want. You can, for example, if you look here, we are moving rewards from BNB, BUSD to the next levels, but we also can say we want to adjust auto compounding. So for example, we can say we want 20% of the ETH sushi rewards be compounded, and the remaining 80% should be moved to BNB and BFi. Then we have our overview of our saved strategies, which are here. This strategies is basically the entry point also for our passive users. What you saw right now was the pro side of our platform, where users with knowledge can create their strategies. But this is the side where users can just review strategies from other parts and see, oh, this looks nice. And they can copy this strategy without having the hassle of creating one their own. Users can share their opinion on the creator can share their opinion on the strategy, comment on it, and basically create a community around themselves and profit from the shares, from the fees that, as Stephen described, our platform generates, and also from all the passive users following them. This is from us.
Awesome. Yep. Freddie?